subscribe to Nature's Tripper.
And hit the notification bell to get updated of the latest videos.
The channel is featuring
Gardening tips, organic farming, nature foods and health benefits, nature adventure, and anything goes about nature. Enjoy watching.
Welcome to Nature's Tripper. Today's video is on how to make Thai basil pesto for pasta.
To start with, pick fresh healthy green leaves of Thai basil. Soak in water with salt for about 10 minutes to get rid of possible pests. Then wash thoroughly. Pat dry using a clean towel. Let's start. We have the following ingredients.
Thai basil leaves, 1/2 cup peanuts, if no pine nuts, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 cup Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon salt, 7 cloves garlic, lemon zest, and olive oil. So we have here the blender. Put the basil leaves in the blender gradually. It is best also to cut leaves into smaller parts, to blend easily. Add the ingredients. Put olive oil gradually. Blend until it become paste. Now you may add pistachio or almond nuts. Add the lemon zest. Blend a little. And our pesto is done. Transfer in a container. Do not fold the container. Leave space above, and fill it with olive oil. This will prevent the pesto from being in contact with air, because if it contacts with air, it will oxidize and the pesto will turn brown, since it is made from fresh leaves. So this process will preserve the pesto. Put inside the refrigerator. I will cook this pesto for pasta later, after 3 hours. But if you are planning to preserve the pesto for 1 to 2 weeks, put inside a plastic container that will not burst, because this should be preserved inside a freezer.
Watch my future video on how to cook pesto pasta.
If you want to learn how to plant Thai basil, watch the video through the description link below.
If you enjoyed my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell.
Like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.